All right, so this is the reaction of baking soda and vinegar. From what we learned last week, you know that these things over here are ionically bonded. This one's going to be a positive bond, and this whole thing over here is going to be a negative. And what's going to happen is that it's going to displace, or you guys might see it listed as replace, and this is a double displacement. The sodium and the hydrogen over here, the hydrogen is its own plus. Oops. Minus. So what's going to happen when they replace each other is that the sodium is going to go free over here, plus, and then you have the C2H3O2, and that's all minus, negative. And the hydrogen is going to come over here and come to the HCO3, and got ahead of myself there. It's going to become H2CO3. So this over here is sodium bicarbonate now. And what's going to happen here after this double displacement reaction is that the H2CO3, which is carbonic acid, that's then going to decompose into H2O and CO2. And you'll see that in the reaction. Pause.
Okay.
All right, so what we're going to do is add the vinegar to a container. And then I like to put the baking soda, if I can, into a balloon like this. Fill up the balloon. So another part of what we're doing here on the first day is not just knowing what kind of reaction, like we talked about, this is a displacement and then it's a decomposition reaction, is also looking for those signs that a reaction even happens, right? So right now we have a liquid and we have a solid. That's a solid baking powder or baking soda. And when they react, like it says right here, it's going to become that carbonic acid, sodium bicarbonate, and then the carbonic acid is decomposing into that water and carbon dioxide. So one of the things we'll see is a formation of a gas that our balloon is going to help us trap. So another thing about it is that as all these bubbles that you're seeing here, sign of a reaction, all those bubbles are pure carbon dioxide. And so other than the air that was already in there, and we can do experiments that get the air all out by filling it up with water and then having the new air fill it up, we've got in this balloon pretty much pure carbon dioxide. And so what that means is this balloon, compared to other balloons, is going to be a lot heavier. Carbon dioxide is a heavier gas. It sinks to the ground pretty quickly. So this, compared to like your breath air, that's going to be a pretty heavy balloon. Okay? That's it.
This one used to have helium, but now it doesn't. This one just has air. This one has carbon dioxide. Way different.